Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I wish that you are all doing good and you are all in a good health. Today we are going to have the last lesson for this semester. We are going to talk about worksheet number 10, which is creating a report. Creating a report. I want you to list the date for today if you have your booklet. If you don't have your booklet, I'm going to attach a copy of this worksheet along with this video. Sometimes you need to create a report using your database to summarize the data, or viewing online printing to have a details or selecting records or a summary for total or counts or for percentage. This summary sometimes to list records or summarize these data to have it like an evidence, or to having something to talk about on, let's say, events or meetings. So here, this is the definition: reports organize and summarize data for viewing online or for a printing. The detailed reporting display the selected of reports. I want you to highlight this line because this is the definition for reporting. Now we are going to head to the practical part. The practical part will help you to demonstrate how to create a report. After we finish the practical part, we are going to talk about important sections of the report. From the database here, I want to create a report for this table, the cost walk 1 table. So from the creating menu, we are going to use the reports group. I'm going to use pressing on the report icon. When I press on the report icon, the Excel will ask me to, here, I'm going to see the reports using the name of the report, the heading, the date, the time. Also, I'm having the field name and the data. Also, I'm having how many records and how many pages. How many records and how many pages. I have different, let's say, content of the report. It's very important to demonstrate these reports, content for these reports. The first thing is the report heading, and the report heading will appear here. Report heading, it's appeared to me with the name of the report. So the cost walk here is the report heading. The cost walk here is the report heading. Also, I have the page heading. The page heading, it includes the column or the field name. This is the page heading. Also, I'm having the details section with all the information or data or the records inside my database. Also, I'm having the report footer and the page footer. The report footer includes how many records I'm having, which is 19, and the page footer having how many pages I'm having here on my report, on this report. This is the design view for the report. If I want to change it to the report view, I'm going to press from the view to the report view. So my report will be look like this if I'm going to print it out. If I want to go and print it out, I'm going to print preview, and this is how, or this is my report will be look like if I am trying to print it out. If I'm trying to print it out. The most important thing here that you need to save the report. If I'm going to go back and close the print preview, or if I want to go back to my database, I need to save my report. Here, the cost walk, this is the report. If I want to save it, how to save it? I'm going to click on the tab with the report and right click, then save. So here I'm going to change the name. This is report. I'm going to name it report number 1. So when I press OK, you can find here for the navigator here, I'm going to having the report number 1, which is about the cost walking. This is report number 1 with all the fields or all the data. So you need to save the report first. If you don't save it and you are going to go out from the access, everything will be deleted. This table is very important to know. This table is very important to know. You need to demonstrate that part of the part of the part of the report. It's very important to know where is the report header, where is the page header, the detail section, report footer, and page footer. This is our lesson for today. Uh, it's very easy, and I want you to practice it using the access. I wish that if you have any questions, you can ask me on our Zoom session, or you can contact me using LB12. Thank you for listening and have a good time.